Bula, and welcome to Ovalau, home to Fiji's first World Heritage Site and old capital Levuka. Ovalau is famous for many Fijian firsts, and thanks to enabling policies by the Reserve Bank of Fiji, the island now adds another with Fiji and the South Pacific's first agrophotovoltaic project, brought to them through the Fiji Development Bank with funding by the Green Climate Fund, Koika and Envelopes Limited.
Agrophotovoltaics is an innovative system which allows for solar power generation and agriculture to coexist on the same piece of land that would otherwise be in competition with one another. Tall solar panels will be constructed on over 7 hectares of agricultural land in Bureta, with farming of crops to take place under and between them.
Currently, 100% of Ovalau's electricity is diesel generated. The project will reduce the island's dependence on diesel by 50% and reduce the island's greenhouse gas emissions. Simultaneously, the project is expected to yield over 100,000 kilograms of crops annually, improving food security and creating additional sources of income for Ovalau's communities.
It's quite difficult because Ovalau, we used to know it's a lot of rocks here. And if you're gonna start with that farming, we'll feed all the people of Ovalau.
In the long term, the project also aims to contribute to a change of perception, livelihoods, and advancement of women in the local communities, which will empower women and girls for better participation in economic and development activities.
In terms of the Gender Action Plan, we have opportunity for women from the Bureta community to be able to be employed or to be taught on how to do electrical maintenance work. So that's a great opportunity both for the women and the young people of the community in Bureta. And when we actually shared this during our consultation on the island, they were very receptive to this kind of opportunity that will be available from this project.
I think Ovalau is a lucky island. And now if you're gonna start with that project again, mostly for women, I wish I go back to young again to go there.
In fulfilling its commitment to the Maya Declaration and the Sharm el-Sheikh Accord, RBF is a front-runner in inclusive green finance, leading the charge in sharing knowledge globally across the AFI network and in the region as part of PIRI, the Pacific Island Regional Initiative.